Ever felt lost in a sea of data? Wishing there was a magic button to filter your sales data instantly? Well, guess what? There is. Meet Slicers, your secret weapon for quick and dynamic filtering in Excel. Let's dive in. Say you have a sales dataset, region-wise, and you want to analyze it efficiently. Here's how you can use a slicer in just a few clicks. First, select your sales data. But don't just click and drag, be a pro. Use the shortcut key Ctrl T to turn your data into a table instantly. This makes filtering a breeze. Now, head over to the Insert tab spot, the Filters group, click on Slicer. A pop-up will appear, showing all your column headers. Want to filter by region? Just check the box for region and hit OK. Boom! A floating, interactive slicer appears. Click on any region and watch your data filter in real time. No more complex formulas, no more endless scrolling. See? That's the power of slicers: fast, efficient, and super easy. Now it's your turn to take control of your Excel data. Try this out and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps this channel running and helps more people master Excel like a pro. Let's make data work for us, not against us. See you in the next video.